I came here 3 years ago from MIT to start my lab at Tel Aviv University at the Faculty of Engineering. The focus of my lab is studying things on the molecular level, nanoscopic scale. Many diseases have biomarkers that enable early diagnosis. We are developing optical nanoprobes for imaging and for sensing biomolecules such as small molecular biomarkers, proteins and enzymes. We use unique nanoparticles, single-wall carbon nanotubes, and they emit light in the near-infrared range, where biological samples are mostly transparent, so they are optimal for biomedical applications. This is the heart of the experimental lab. All our experimental work is done in the optics room, and this is something that is unique to our lab. All the optics, all the cameras, all the mirrors, all the filters, all the spectrometers are optimized for the near-infrared. For example, we're working on imaging in the near-infrared in live cells and in C. elegans worms. C. elegans worms are very popular model organisms used by many labs because they have genetic similarities to humans. The problem with C. elegans is that they autofluoresce in the visible range, meaning that the worm itself lights up under fluorescent microscope. So if you want to label something within the worm, you always have background in the visible range. In the near-infrared range, we can label and track processes, tissues, proteins with no background at all. We want to develop optical nanoprobes for biomarkers of diseases. We have a project in which we detect oncometabolites, cellular metabolites that are overexpressed in cancer cells. This small molecule target can really benefit cancer research if we could track it in real time. We do both basic research and applicative research. And with our carbon nanotube sensors, for example, I hope to develop platforms for early diagnosis of diseases. And with our theoretical efforts, we want to gain insights into the underlying mechanisms of living things at the molecular level, and hopefully with more knowledge and understanding to copy nature and design our own nanomachines for any application of choice. We have molecular motors inside the cell that know how to carry cargo from one side of the cell to the other. Imagine if we can understand how they operate, how efficient they are, we can then mimic them and make our own synthetic ones. After I finished my postdoc and I've accepted an offer for Tel Aviv University, I was selected as a Zuckerman STEM Leadership Program Fellow, which I'm very grateful for because they have enabled me, together with the platform at Tel Aviv University, to establish the lab of my dreams. Tel Aviv University is leading the way in many of these fields, and I'm a part of the Center for Light-Matter Interaction, the Center for Physics and Chemistry of Living Systems, and the Nano Center at the university. And this combination of interdisciplinary platforms enable joint discussion and enhance collaborative efforts in order to take the research one step further. As a woman in academia, I hope to see more women joining, especially the Faculty of Engineering, the Faculty of Exact Science. I'm honored and humbled to be part of academia, Tel Aviv University, a fellow of the Zuckerman program. I feel that I have a true impact on people's lives because in addition to doing research, I'm also teaching undergraduate students, I'm mentoring graduate students. I'm seeing them develop, learn, and grow, and this is a true privilege. Thank you very much.